We have reached all-time highs for Bitcoin. It feels really great. Congratulations to anybody that has been holding Bitcoin, especially my followers. You guys have been killing it. You guys have been dollar cost averaging for over a year now, and you deserve every cent you make. Now you're probably wondering, what is going to happen next? And I'm going to go over alt season right now, because a lot of people are like, hey, when's alt season? Have we experienced it already? No, you have not experienced alt season, but I'm going to go over two scenarios that I think are really good from a guy named Creddy Bull. Now, this guy on Twitter, him and I, we think alike. Both of us think that the Bitcoin, this whole rally, this whole bull market isn't going to last 2 years. I think, and he does too, that we are going to peak around this year, probably the end of this year. That is just our take on this market. I think we have a left translated cycle, and then we are going to experience a horrible bear market, but not before the fun begins, and the fun has not begun in altcoins or Bitcoin. So let me go over the two scenarios that he has laid out for altcoins. So number one, we have Bitcoin breaks all-time highs with conviction, goes it onto a 2x in a matter of weeks. Yes, it can double in a matter of weeks. I've seen this before. This is a mega breakout without much of a breather, and alts don't get much love until Bitcoin pauses after this breakout leg. Now, the breakout leg is going to be fun, but wait till alts hit. Now, many of you, this is your first bull market, and you are going to have your socks blown off because you probably have never made this much money in such a short amount of time. Keep in mind, like, you have to understand that you need a financial plan going into this. Otherwise, you're literally going to give it all away, and that sucks. Now, I'm telling you right now, if you want to check out exactly what I'm doing, my exact plan with exiting this, you can check us down below at learningcrypto.com, home of the CT Club. Now, let me get on to scenario number two. Bitcoin tags prior all-time highs, but rejects, consolidates at the highs for a few weeks before beginning to accelerate to the upside and then double in a matter of weeks. Alts begin rallying right after Bitcoin tags prior all-time highs while Bitcoin consolidates. Why are alts going to rally after this Bitcoin thing? I mean, because many of you might not know that a lot of the money that flowed into Bitcoin is going to flow back into alts because people are hunting for profits. I mean, people are going to realize, well, it's going to be much more difficult for me to make, another double, say, for instance, if Bitcoin goes to $100,000, $120,000, $30,000. It's going to be much harder for it to double after that, right? But people are going to be like, wow, there's like altcoins that are going, 10x, 50x, whatever during a alt season. And that is what happens. It actually will blow your mind to see how much profits you're actually making. And the key is make your financial plan, because this can happen much faster than anyone thinks. Keep in mind that if you've been following this channel for even like a month or so, you will know that we've been calling for all-time highs before the halving. Not after, but before. And there was a lot of people giving me a lot of crap for that. But you know what? I stuck with my wits, and I'm like, you know what? This is wrong. I think most people are wrong in this space. And this is what happens. You know what I mean? Most people were wrong, and we've hit all-time highs before the halving. It's pretty nice. So with that said, please enjoy this bull market. Please enjoy these all-time highs. And the best way to enjoy this bull market is to have a plan, an exit plan. All right, please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.